To my MacBook charges. Yep, it shows the manual. Yep. Take this out. Okay. Looks like this.
Is the warranty of this Mac the warranty of the original charger?
Yep. This one's 45 and the original one's 45 too. This one shows 45 watts right there. And this one shows 45 watts. We only paid 35 with free shipping. This one is the original one is more round. Wow, this one feels more durable rather than this one. It feels like if you can drop it, it won't have as much scratches as this. As you can see, the original is slightly bigger. Like this. You can see it's slightly bigger. And the cord, it feels that it's more stronger over here compared to this one, which is skinnier. When you flip this one's used, so it could just be from moving it all. And this one feels more like harder to move because it's not meant to like play around with. And this one does not have the logo, and this does. See, that's how big it is compared to the original. It feels like the length is about the same. The one that we got is a little bit higher. So the original is from looking at it, it feels like it's exactly like the original, except how it looks. And let's see if it works. And there's a magnet, and yes, same as the original, and it lights up green when it's fully charged, and orange when it's charging. We bought this charger for the replacement for the original charger for the MacBook. We bought it for $37 with a 3-year warranty, while the original one, it just comes with the charger and warranty also for $99.